Hi everyone, we wish all of you and your family a happy and prosperous New Year 2021. May this year brings good health, happiness in the lives of all our global citizens. Let's pledge together to serve as the backbone of medical science without showing our interest in country, religion, caste, race and gender. So my name is Vijit Haldar and welcome to our YouTube channel Microbial Life WIM. As you all know, in this video series we will only discuss about different types of bacteria, virus, protozoa and other different microorganisms, and we will give you only the brief idea of this microorganism. We will also discuss about the microorganisms which are beneficial for plants, human beings and animals. So today's topic is COVID-19. As you all seen in my screen also. The world is perplexed by the outbreak of a new severe respiratory syndrome, and the name of the new virus is COVID-19, which is reported in December 2019, and its epicenter in Wuhan, Hubei province in the People's Republic of China, as you all know. So let's start about COVID-19. COVID-19 or coronavirus, as you all know, is an RNA virus. Virus are two types. It's DNA virus and RNA virus. COVID-19 is an RNA virus. Okay. Later in other video we will discuss about the different types of virus. But today we will only concentrate it about coronavirus only. Okay. So let's start with introductions. Coronavirus is RNA virus, as I told before, and it is important pathogen for human and vertebrates. Coronavirus can infect respiratory organs, hepatic, central nervous systems and gastrointestinal of humans, livestock, birds, bat, mouse and many other wild animals. Coronavirus belonging to the subfamily of Coronavirinae in the family of Coronaviridae of the order Nidoviralis, and this subfamily includes 4 genera: alpha coronavirus, beta coronavirus, gamma coronavirus and delta coronavirus. The coronavirus genome is a single strand positive sense RNA, which we denoted as SS RNA, with kb with 5 cap structure and 3 polyatal. It's 5 hash. That is not visible, right? It 5 hash to 3 hash polyatal structure. The genomic RNA is used as template to directly translate polyprotein 1A by 1B, which encodes non-structural protein. Non-structural protein, as in short form we call it NSPS, to form the replication transcription complex RTS in a double membrane vesicles, double membrane vesicles, as we called it, DMVS. In short form we called it DMVS. Okay. Now I will discuss about I already discussed about introduction. Let's start with types. There are 4 to 5 types of coronavirus infect infect humans. The most common virus is SARS. Another is MERS. Okay. Sorry, I have spelled it wrong. It's MERS. 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 And there are so different types. And how it's transmitted. What is the transmission? Let's talk about transmission. MERS does not spread easily from person to person. In the cause where it was appeared to have spread between people, those causes involve close contact, family members, co-worker, fellow patients and health workers. But SARS can do it. And what are the symptoms of COVID-19 or coronavirus? Coronavirus primarily infect the upper respiratory and gastrointestinal tract of humans. Most people who got infected with novel coronavirus developed severe acute respiratory illness with symptoms of fever, cough, shortness of breath, and some people were reported as having a mild respiratory illness. Okay. Now talk about pathogenesis. The main pathogenesis of COVID-19 infection as a respiratory system targeting virus as severe pneumonia, RNA anemia, combined with the incidence of ground glass opacities and acute cardiac injury. Now how we can prevent from COVID-19? Okay, let's erase it. Now how we can prevent from COVID-19? There are few major points are there. Let's discuss about it. Keep away from someone with a heavy cough. Use a tissue to cover the nose or mouth when coughing, sneezing, wiping or blowing nose. If a tissue is not available, cough or sneeze into the inner elbow rather than the hand. Avoid direct contact with eyes and nose. Wash vegetable and fruits very well before cooking or before eating. Adhering to food safety and hygiene rules such as avoiding undercooked meats, raw fruits and vegetables unless they have been plead or unsafe water. Wash hand with hot water and soap at least 6 to 7 times a day or before touching, after touching the object or any material. Disinfect common surface as frequently as possible. Wash hand or use with proper hand wash or sanitizer when in contact with common surface like door handles, tables or other equipment or devices. Avoid contact with live farm or wild animals including just like camels, bats, etc. If contact has been made, thoroughly wash hand with soap or hand sanitizer. PPE, personal PPE, we try to always use PPE kit just like mask, gloves, hand gloves, face shield and appropriate hand hygiene also help to reduce the spread of these infections. Now treatment. There is no treatment until now. Supportive medical care is provided to help the relieve the acuteness of symptom and control complication. What does it mean? It means that if a person is affected by COVID-19, we give the symptomatic treatment. If he or she is having a breathing problem, we give some support to breathing. If he or she having normal fever, we give the medicine for the fever. This is a symptomatic treatment we will give to the COVID-19 patient or the person who is infected by COVID-19. And one important thing is there is no vaccines available till now, but the research is going on. Different country are try to invent a vaccine for COVID-19. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will give the notes in our description box. Please follow the description box for the notes. And if you want to join in our Telegram or WhatsApp group for any notes regarding to medical science, paramedical science, biomedical science, and other related life science, you can join. I will provide you the link in the description box. And if you have any queries, please feel free to comment and subscribe our channel, uh, and subscribe our channel for our upcoming videos. Thank you.